Embraer has concluded a memorandum of understanding with Saudi Arabia Military Industries, SAMI, for the potential sale and maintenance of C-390 Millennium aircraft for the country's Air Force. The announcement was made via Embraer's official website following the signing of the memorandum during the visit of the President of Brazil to Saudi Arabia on November 29. SAMI aims to collaborate with Embraer to provide a multi-role aircraft to the country. Additionally, the partnership envisions the establishment of a regional center for maintenance, repair, and potentially a final assembly line for Embraer aircraft. This initiative aligns with Saudi Arabia's objective to localize 50% of defense production in the kingdom by 2030. The CEOs of Embraer and SAMI officially signed the agreement on November 29, 2023. The move comes as the Saudi Air Force seeks to enhance its tactical capabilities, considering its current fleet of 33 Lockheed Martin C-130H Hercules military transport aircraft is deemed obsolete. The agreement between SAMI and Embraer focuses on expanding the operational footprint of both companies in Saudi Arabia. It includes plans for comprehensive maintenance capability for Embraer aircraft in the kingdom, exploration of a regional MRO hub, a final assembly line for the Embraer C390, and mission system integration in Saudi Arabia. Training activities are also emphasized to foster opportunities for both companies in the aerospace sector within the kingdom and the broader region. The C390 Millennium can carry up to 26 tons, covering 2,590 kilometers with a full load and 4,800 kilometers with a 13.3-ton payload. It accommodates 80 soldiers or 66 fully equipped paratroopers and has a range of over 6,000 kilometers.